keeping my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know.
I'm going to Chi-Town, be a Chi-Town shawty. You feel me? And y'all know Chicago got the best food, so I'm excited for that. So I just parked the car in the parking garage. Now I gotta find out where exactly it is that I need to go because I've never done this. So I'm just taking a picture right now of where I parked because this says Delta. I need to go to Spirit. This is gonna be interesting. So my gate exists. I'm not at my gate, but my gate exists. I did park in the right area, so close to me, and it was just like across the street from where I need to go and whatnot. And shout out to Global Entry. I'ma always shout them out, and I need to hop on it because they be in and out. I don't like waiting in long lines. I don't. It irritates me after a while. So I have patience, but not enough patience. Period. So my gate does exist. Boarding is gonna start soon, but yeah, I'm just chilling right now.
Little bitty range, I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a target. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get
Dirt in that, for real though. We going to Overlock now?
No, I'm not going to the film.
But you know what they say? We not from 63rd.
That's not the mirror. No.
But we definitely going to Harold's though.
That's right.
What's up, guys? So we just left the hotel. Now we about to go to Harold's Chicken. Cause you know you can't go to Chicago without no damn Harold's there. Making fun of me and Michelle because we out here trying to get this bag. Period. Trying to show y'all what it's like in a day in Chicago. Period. Oh, we found the bikes, y'all. Let's see if we hop on one or not. Us 11-11 baby, and I went to Chris Brown 11-11 tour.
I love Angel.
Just got into the room and this is how it's looking. Period. Period, sis. We got the double bed. There you go, Aisha. Yeah. Shower area. Nice see-through bathroom. It's nice.
So y'all know.
And then the kitchen. I wonder if they gave us a little fridge. They did. Period. Is it cold? It's not cold. I don't like that. And a microwave. Period.
Period. Okay.
Cause y'all hoes not doing it like this. They gave us this ugly view.
tell me how I always was a blessing, blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it.
So we at the hotel, we chilling. Big Aisha in the back, big Michelle in the back. Period. We trying to wake up Chicago because it's Saturday. We outside all day because we ain't even doing anything last night. The aunties went to bed. The aunties went to bed. No, for real.
Y'all. What happened was they had me feeling like a crackhead.
They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one.
We doing a nice little corset top, go bed with some, you know how the trend go. Go purse with a corset top. Go purse with a corset top.
And it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me.
Headed to brunch right now. So let's talk about Tao.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful. The ambiance was chef's kiss. But the food wasn't really hitting like that.
No.
The shrimp tempura though,
Yeah, that was good.
ate it up. Everything else, like the girlies ain't touched their food
Nah.
at all. We had to find a little corner store last night.
I feel like they gave us a lot of portions. The food was my pad thai was cool though. I just was full. My fried rice, like it was missing like yum sauce, and they didn't have any yum sauce. Like, what kind of Asian place don't have yum
Right.
sauce? Like, that's crazy.
They could have even just made that themselves. Google the instructions. I'm pretty sure you got everything in the bag.
Yeah.
Like my salmon, it was okay. I feel like they could have like sweetened it a little bit. It just tastes like fresh in a sense. But yeah, I mean, it was pretty. It's like a good photo op, but you know, and we didn't go out last night.
Would I recommend? Absolutely not. If you want to go somewhere to take pictures for aesthetics, definitely I would go there.
Right, but anything else? Maybe it was good as a nightclub, but we didn't experience that.
Yeah,
We
the
went a little too
DJ
early
was not it, y'all.
at all. Like he could have been playing something like "Turn This Up."
Yeah.
But yeah, that was our experience last night. Now we headed to brunch and we gonna have fun. We out outside.
Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chugga, look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like.
I thought Miami was bad. They giving out tickets like crazy. Well, we just had some great food.
Cause that food was good. We went to what, Francesca?
Yeah.
That food was good.
Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show?
Michelle and I went to Pandora with Aisha, and we missed our boat because of that.
We missed our boat because I went to get a souvenir, but so did Tony.
We did too.
So don't let her fool you.
No, I said that already.
Okay.
You see how she's trying to come for me and I already told y'all what the tea was? That's crazy, right? Very suspicious. Pay me $2 billion to swim in here. Look at it. You can't even see it. It's just a green.
I would never. Do you have a little?
I wish I had a little margarita right now, just watching this, you know, looking at the views, the vibes. So we made it to the view right now. Nice little view. It's not disappointing.
Make it through real life too hot. Let her run work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shy. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head to float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go.
They kept us captive for a little bit of time. I'm like, free us. Free us. Cause ain't no way. 90 whole minutes, no, 45. Don't waste your money on that 90 minutes. They done turned the boat around like 5 times. Crazy.
I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Shoot a movie like Barry Gore. A star was born. My love is like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And I'm one of my hoes born. She never had a ton.
One of the biggest monkeys that I done ever seen. This thing's 2 stories. Early in the morning, late at night.
Yeah, I sit to the head and float. Yeah, already fed the poke. Yeah, niggas too scared to go. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it.
It's kind of this cute little bookstore and I'm loving it. Like, it's so beautiful in here. The art, chef's kiss. Everything's so pretty. The view outside. I love it. I love it.
You're worth the chase you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable.
That little day party was cool or whatever. But now we're about to hit our dinner spot. I don't know the name of the place, but that's where we about to go. So yeah.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know, it's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous.
Turn on the tape.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the 4-door.
Deep in my heart, my mind, and my body.